Well, good morning to you. The noise in the background is the comforting sound of a boiling kettle. I've got a little bit of time this morning, not a lot, but a little bit. And what I'm doing is boxing and packing and preparing. Look at that for a box of stuff. 3 264 tanks, 3 062 tanks, and some odds and sundries. Now, oh, the kettle's just about done. Hold on. Right, that's dealt with the kettle. As I'm boxing stuff, I am trying to remember to put labels on it so that when I stack this stuff in the barn, I know what's in the boxes. And these I've labelled locomotives for the Ironworks road erecting shed, because I've been doing some thinking about the model railway that is to come. I am going to have a lot of room for building a big model railway, half a barn, and it occurred to me that really I ought to build a model of a complete railway. You know, one of those railways that builds its own locomotives, that services its own locomotives, that looks after its own carriages, and has all of those good things, you know, carriage sheds, workshops, marshalling yards, shunting depots, and all sorts of things. And I've tried to think of names that will be suitable for a model railway in Azay-le-Ferron. Now there's the clue. The town is named after the fact that it used to be an ironworking town. So we're going to have Ironworks road erecting shed. I will be doing some drawings later as to how I think that's going to work. Drawings which then will be ignored, of course, as things develop. But in the meantime, I need to be making more boxes. Have you ever noticed how much stuff we all end up with without trying? You know, I like this one. I like this one a lot. And, you know, the job just goes on and on and on. You might sort of say, well, surely you've made enough boxes so far. But if we quickly move over here, I haven't got round to making boxes for them yet. I better get busy, hadn't I?